Hey guys, wagwan wagwan. This is just a quick video. Make some Sunday dinner with me. So I'm making jerk chicken, rice and peas, cabbage, plantain, Jamaican style. So my chicken was already cleaned and washed off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my Jamaican Jerk Seasoning, around 2 tablespoons to each side. The link to this seasoning is down below in the description box. I'm now also gonna add my homemade Jamaican Jerk Marinade. I just uploaded the video on how to make this quick and simple. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of adobo all-purpose seasoning. I'm keeping the seasoning simple because my homemade jerk marinade has all the flavor. I'm gonna rub that all in and set it to the side. I allowed it to marinate for around an hour. And as usual, all the ingredients is down below in the description box, as well as the link to the full written recipe on my food blog. So my oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna go ahead and bake my chicken uncovered for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and flip. And guys, this recipe can be used if you're using a grill to make your jerk chicken as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip our chicken. You can baste your chicken here if you like with some more marinade, and we're gonna continue to bake for an additional 30 minutes. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and broil my chicken on low for around 10 minutes just to get that charcoal look. And that's how I make my oven jerk chicken with my homemade jerk marinade. Quick and easy. You can make a quick sauce to go with this as well. I have a video uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can search for that and find how to make a quick jerk sauce.